So I'm Trent with IBEX Roof. We're here going to do a roof inspection. As you can see from the roof, it looks pretty good from the ground. And I'd like to take you up there and show you a few things. So upon first getting up here, I always look at the pattern and make sure it's a 5 5/8 offset. Check the nail placement. This nail is supposed to be out here, not close to what we would call the keyway. It's going to leak over time. It usually takes about 4 or 5 years with direct water before you really get the water pouring into your house. Someone's been up here before us and been doing a roof inspection, obviously, because they've circled something. It looks like an exposed nail that they put some tar on. Looks like they reuse these pipe flashings. The shingles aren't lapped correctly. They use just a short piece here, and water will get in here and leak in behind. Looks like the skylight flashing, they didn't replace any of it, reused it, put some tar on there. So what happens is water gets in here and there's no step flashing to divert the water back out on top of these shingles. From first appearance on the ground, it looks like this roof is in pretty good condition, but once you get up here and you can see everything that's done wrong. So about the only thing they can do at this point is tear this whole thing off, inspect the roof deck, and replace everything. I mean, I do service and repairs, and there ain't nothing we can do for this roof.